how to recover Mobile Legends account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video on how you can recover your Mobile Legends account. I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. To recover your Mobile Legends account, you'll not be able to do it from the application, so you'll need to do it from the web browser. So for that, open up any web browser that is convenient for you. And then on the search box, you'll need to type in Mobile Legends contact. Once you type in next interface, you'll have a list of fields. So right on top, you'll be able to see the support link. Click on it. So once you're on this page, what you'll need to do is you need to scroll down right to the bottom, and right at the bottom, you'll be able to see a contact detail or the email address. Now first thing you need to do is copy the email address. Once you're done copying the email address, you need to head back to your home screen and then open up your Gmail. Once you open up your Gmail, click on Compose. Now you need to submit a report. For that, you need to paste in the Gmail that you recently copied, type in account recovery, and now you need to submit a request. So you can type in hi Mobile Legends support team and requesting for an account recovery. Along with that, I do not have any access of my contact information. So with that, what you can do is you can provide your username, and you also need to type in the email address through which they can contact you, and you can provide additional information relating with the account so that it will work as an evidence in order to recover your Mobile Legend account. Once you're done typing the report, click on the arrow icon and then submit the request. So after that, all you need to do is wait patiently until you get notified about your account recovery. So that is how you can recover your Mobile Legends account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.